guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanique and I'm here with
Shelly.
MD.
Okay, so today we have an amazing video for you guys. We're gonna do the Jamaican Charades. So we're gonna get straight into it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment below. So let's go straight into the video. Okay. So hey guys, so what we're gonna do act it out. So this is the rule basically. So it says act out the action on the card for your teammate to guess. Use action and sound effects only. Use hashtag Jamaica. No, that's not relevant. So she's gonna hold it up and then I'm gonna act it out for her to guess what it is. Okay, let's get into it. Oh Jesus. Wait. You're talking. You lose, you know. Drunkenness? Yes. Fast. Drunk man? Yes. I stuck. Body straight. Okay. Win lotto? Yes. Pass. No. Soldier? Yeah. Play domino? Yes. No, pass that one day. Brush off the clocks? Yes. Vex? Yes. Pass that. Smoke? Yeah. Shit, okay. Okay. So your turn now. Come. So I get 7 right. Right? So my score is 7. Let's see if we can go higher than that. Let's see now. Let's see if you can go higher. Okay. Alright. Make sure you see me.
Now look at
Alright. Yeah, we'll get back in my eye. Okay. Football. Pass. Vex. Yeah. Again. Fishing. Catch fish. Yeah, fish. You. Fish.
Dummy.
You got me. You're
BL.
what I mean? Fisherman.
Oh, you know that.
Exactly.
What can I say to Fisherman?
Come and say fish. So you say fish, but you must say fishing. Yes, I say person. How you gonna do say fish? Person. I mean the person. That don't make no sense. Go on, next one. You go past me, got same thing. Clocks cleaning, something.
You can't sleep, so.
Pass.
Sleep.
That's not a fair one. That's not fair. Okay, I will do back over the one day then. We'll do back over the one day. Because you say fish. Shalisa, you say fish. You even don't say just say fish. No, you say man. Just say yeah first. They say yeah. And then we will get it. If you keep on saying fish, I'm say yes. So I continue saying fish. So we expect. Okay, she's a fish one. But you say this and that. You must say fish. You must say fish. Weed. Make weed. Pass. Usain Bolt. Pass. Danny Shani. Skipping. Yeah. Pass. Upscotch. Yeah. Mosquito, kill mosquito. Cricket. Yeah. You know I'm smart. Ride bike. Yeah. See? Get a donkey. Ride a donkey. What again? Let me see. 9. You're not. I'm a good to me there. Okay, so now. So basically, okay, so let me see. Me go 7, you go 7, so see how much ND can go now. So ND, you go act it out.
Remember all that.
Pass. Rolling split. What?
Pass.
You can say
Ah.
the word it, you know.
Playing cricket?
You can say
What is
the
up?
word it.
Took me a board. No man. What that? No India, what that? Oh yeah, milk. What that your milk out? Yeah. I'm not saying milk him.
Pass.
Pass on. Drunken man. Again. Hey. Yeah, shut your mouth. What that? What that? You dance?
Yeah.
I dance that? Really dance? Oh, that you coming here? What that?
Oh, time up.
Yeah, she ready?
Yes.
Time is up.
There's so many
They
things you
get
can
5.
do, Mama.
Five.
Okay.
This
So
is so
Andy
funny.
got 5 and I got 7. You got 9.
9.
So me and you are gonna do it now. First, ooh,
Girl, go and sit down.
and the top a top.
Go
So
and sit down. Come
where
here with
would
your
we?
belly a fool. Give me this.
come to my belly.
You know, see?
Come to
That
my belly.
fool.
You nice and flat.
Where? Where?
You nice and flat and sucking and slim and my trim and everything. I don't know.
Which cut I?
Alright, so who will go first? Me, I'll go first again. Already.
No, rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors. Come.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
Stop back over.
You want the
Yeah, I'm gonna rock, paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No way.
Wait.
Watch out, 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 watch
You do it
out.
3 times. You do it
No,
3 times.
yes, 3
Yeah,
times.
so come
And
now,
best-
3 times in the sense say you do it. You can't do it like that. 1, 2, 8, do it 1, 2. So we get the
Rock,
most.
paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So it's all 1, 2.
So the one time we do it, so 2 more times left we do it to figure out who win.
So who win a while ago?
Me.
Okay, let's have check. 1, 2, hey, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me win, so whoever win this order. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me win. Me go first. Alright, ready?
Okay.
Ready. You better guess my name good enough. Guess them good. I'm ready.
Listen here, bad actors, shut up. Let's go.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Ready. I go in
It's a
now.
magic one fly, you know. Can be something that fly. When I pick up in their soup. My gosh.
Wait.
I want that. I watch her. Watch her. Okay. Oh. Accept me.
Awa! Pass it then.
Scratch. Win that again?
Yes, again, we will have the 2 times.
No, you must have. Yeah, we. Boy, move from her run. Awa, what that? She's done. Okay. Alright.
Wait, what is?
I don't know.
Pickpocket, pass it. Pass that one there. Pass that one there.
No, man.
Pass one there, go get the one there ready.
You say I win. Watch out. Play marble.
Yes.
What's that?
Don't tell me say me lose, you
Oh,
know.
what that? I don't know.
Bank teller.
2. Oh, that. Tell me. No. Oh, that tell us people bank teller.
We
Do it
say,
again.
next please.
Next.
say
Bank teller.
next.
Bank teller do that?
Next please. Okay, so how you do on bank teller then?
I don't know. What else so bank teller do? But next, please.
We say next please. Can I have your card?
Okay, she lose, you lose. She lose.
Well, look, I'm gonna make you lose
No,
now.
you lose. No, you have to guess right now. You can't be biased. Don't do it.
Alright, let me see.
You're just not one good actor. You understand?
Okay.
Let's go. Come on.
Sell weed?
Yeah.
I try my hard, I try my hardest to figure it out. Down the shiny.
Again.
That's 2 almost with me. Let me see if we get the other one. Oh, what that, Cindy? What that? Bad man.
Yeah. What?
Mirror. Hey.
Don't excuse me.
Worm.
No, so much worm.
You know, donkey. Right in that hot donkey. Alright.
pack. Yes, same thing me I do when I get it.
Hello.
I same thing me do. Upsetting, washing, upsetting.
Pass.
She said me good pan guessing than you. Smoke weed. Old person, granny. Much I get. Eat it.
I win. I win.
Okay, so in no matter, we are
I
going
win.
we listen, we are going to back out one round again. So you are the winner for the first round, so me and India go battle it out. We will see who will be the loser, like the real loser.
I don't understand.
You already
No, Polly.
palette.
Bruh.
So you are a winner, yes you are the crown champion, blah blah, but we will see who will be loser.
Crown me. Crown me. Crown me. Crown me. Crown me.
Okay.
Crown me.
There we go.
Crown me.
Yeah. So she's the winner.
Hey, this is no crown.
Weird. Alright, what we're gonna know?
Okay. So, to determine the second, basically the loser, it told them a loser. Determine the store losers, right? So we're going to switch it up. And we're going to do something called the Jamaican dance move, you know? Get some real Jamaican dance move, like some, what do they call it? Some lebe and...
What name so?
You
Name
know,
lebe?
yeah. Remember the way they lebe and, you know, no linger.
We all see real dancers in here. So me not a real dancer, so me know that fuck. So
Okay,
we'll see.
So the rules are, they must do a Jamaican dance, right? No talking, no sound. Straight dance move, right? Let's get into it.
Alright, we say we can dance. Alright.
Higher level.
Yes.
Like,
Pause, me don't know that, me don't know what first thing.
what?
What's the junkie man?
Let me get it.
Get him alone, I don't know.
And you know that.
Any guy in your drunk?
Deep pocket for party.
Any guy in your drunk? Are you drunk? Which one? Okay, hey, what up?
Do it right now. Cut them off. No.
No, I don't know that.
Cut them off.
Eh?
Okay, me not count around them because me don't know majority dance them, so me not sense me
We are counting around
Me
you.
not count because me only get one.
No, not come India. Devour.
Me not do
Right
it.
here. Choose you get one. Come India, devour. Excuse.
No.
Come out of the. Go sit
Now,
down.
okay.
Loser.
The three best.
Third.
The three.
Third.
No.
Third place.
The
Come sit down.
three best one.
India just need 2 moves. 2 moves to win around here.
Shalisa.
Listen, 2 moves.
The best
Listen.
three. So me go first and she goes and then the
No.
last one determine where we
No.
The bonus round.
No.
You know something
no
like a
bonus
style?
round. No bonus round. 2 you need any if you win her knock her out here.
Okay.
1 lick in her head. Put her ground by.
We still do it anyways, watch.
No. We're not breaking our
Let me
rules
see
to
what that's
Indy. You're a loser. Alright. Show them here. How that? What can I do? What's going on? How that?
Really, she saw?
How that go?
Good, don't get it.
I don't know. Pause for you, my friend. Go on.
Butterfly.
Oh.
You really, Shalisa?
Hey, me never know.
No.
Give them a run.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, one more Andy, one more.
You're not getting Sonia. You're not, because she said I know dance.
Pass.
She said I know
Watch
dance.
you while yeah.
Watch.
No, no,
Go.
really know that day.
Go.
Pass. Watch 21 seconds.
Shoulder for your fling.
Mm-mm.
Papa shoulder that. I don't know that. What?
Pass it.
Papi color.
What that? No linger. I don't know what.
Don't get it. 4, 3.
Cut them off.
What that?
Yes!
I know that.
Well, she get her bonus. Don't get too excited. She get her bonus round. She get her bonus round. So don't act too excited by default. So stop.
Because majority of them, and you know them, but maybe I take care of it. Like a lag on.
Don't do that.
Lag on. Oh.
No, but
Me
you
no
know
know
that
all
Lagana back in the day dance.
I'm gonna say you never bought. Which one I do now again? We are the same dance one already act out.
Wait, man, no, I pick something like really no act out again and no dance. We pick something.
We pick one next
bonus
genre.
round. The bonus round. Okay.
Yeah.
She wants a patois, words and phrase. So let's see how that one goes.
I know she now women at this.
It's to describe in English the patois word on the card for your teammate to guess. English translation are in brackets to assist you. Don't say anything on the card and no rhyming.
Okay, so basically the word is gonna be patois. I'm gonna say it in English and she's gonna guess the patois word. So she's gonna have to get what's on the screen, basically.
Yes,
so that's the rules. Yeah.
That's the rule. So let's go.
Who will go first?
You.
How do rock paper scissors? Why am I have to do it again? Rock paper scissors.
Okay, rock paper scissors. Go.
You can rock paper scissors shoot. 1, 1, 2, 3. Rock paper scissors shoot.
Okay.
Rock paper scissors shoot.
Andy win.
Win. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Me win. Next one. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
And you win. So you will go first.
So me will go first.
You will go first.
Alright.
You see, better just go.
You
waste that energy just because you
we waste 1 minute of our life. Alright. Natural.
Natural.
Yes.
Okay. You're supposed to rhyme.
Pass. Manners. Daughter. I have an accent. Daughter.
Data.
Yes. You're opportunist.
Gold digger.
No. What Jamaican word? Opportunist. In English, they say you're opportunist. What's the Jamaican word?
I don't know.
Bang wagon.
No.
Wagon.
No.
Bang wagon.
That doesn't mean no. You know,
Bang wagonist means
it's not the same as opportunities.
opportunist.
It's not the same as bag and wagon.
You jump on people when they up, no?
No, but that's not the same as bag wagon is.
Yeah?
No.
What's a bag wagonist? Bag one.
People could jump from one side to another because they switch. So just
because you switch because
in a big opportunity, it can be foxing a lawyer, then it can be because the opportunity.
Okay, alright, me get the one there wrong.
So she get
4.
So 4, and then if you get 5, they win. Me tell you, focus.
We should not do actito. Me don't want to do the part.
No, focus. And if you knock her
a part what one do?
No.
Just get 4 so you can do it.
No. Get 5 and win.
Get 4 so you can do act it out.
Follow me. Get 5. Let's go. 5, yeah, come on. Model? Really?
No, she not say it right. So you not get the one that off.
She win it. Go, yeah.
No, you don't say it right.
Behind the bush.
Back a bush.
It still pass. Hold it properly.
Eat.
Nyam.
Much of them? 3.
Upset.
Angry. Mad. Vex.
Mummy, seriously, mummy? That don't, me not count that one day. I swear me not count that one day.
Slapping game.
Cause there's no way mummy can in there help Shalisa.
Lick. Already. Same thing.
How much of them? Cause you take off 2 of that now.
Already.
4 you get. So we
4.
are.
And you cause it.
Me cause it.
Yes.
You still get 4. So what? I think I got what I wanted. So this video is gonna be a little bit longer than you guys thought it would be. So we're gonna do act it out, the last one. Cause act it out more easier for everybody if you do and for guess. So more like if you be up and down. You understand me? I say so we all do act it out. Okay, mademoiselle? Mademoiselle.
Listen, you know, have you see, she can't take defeat, and that's her whole issue. So she like to, she like uneven play field. Basically. She don't like a level play field, so she want to do stuff she knows that she good at.
Okay.
Which I'm not very good at acting it out anyways, so what's the point?
Okay, so act it out it is. So it's gonna take forever.
For Andy, sir.
Let's go.
Okay, so we keep on a
Final
tie.
one.
So, okay.
So if
Okay, final
they
and that's
tie
it.
again, what I'm gonna do is pick the best actor. Enough is enough. That's all I want. Like you can't act. Come on, man.
Alright, ready.
One body.
You.
Stush.
Yes. Pass on there. Come with for winning now.
Hopscotch.
No.
Skipping.
Yes.
A small skip.
Ah,
Riding donkey.
Yeah.
What that?
Oh, pass on there. Come me want win today.
What that? Uncard, me no know.
Yes.
Shaking. Bartender.
Yes. Tell him. Fix it properly, not fix it properly. Pass on there.
Bike.
Yes. Pass. You know, go, no go. Pass. Pass.
Mid.
No. You got no party.
Let's see. Six. You see, no different than patois or whatever.
The thing
category
is, them put scammer upon the something like, oh, you have to act up be one scammer. You can't talk, so you go act up be one scammer. I mean, understand.
When she played the game, she never passed 6.
How? Really?
She never passed 6.
Alright, how do you act out? Like, since you're so perfect in acting, how do you act out being a scammer?
Sit down.
Be a scammer, should you, sir?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, man. Sit down. Indeed. Come on.
Andy, turn 6.
Any
Andy.
boots up here, my cousin. My boots up here. Listen. We're gonna lose a year. Seven need. Lick her footwear. She have to come last. Have to come last.
Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go
I'm
on.
gonna try my luck.
They
Back
keep on
right
walking
now,
to see more of them.
Bye.
Let's talk to camera.
Usain Bolt. Come on. Come on. What that? What swimming? Me no know.
That's a lie.
Our pass. Me
Yeah.
pass it.
Batman.
No man. Fisherman. Yeah. You was a bias. You washing? Yes, goodie. Come. What that eating? What dentist? Yes, come goodie. Yes.
You know, say me stop it.
Yeah.
Come and stop it.
Come on, what that? Oh, Batman.
Batman. Batman.
But me
She
just
said
go.
that. Yeah.
Go, come. Come, one more, come
Andy
more.
don't know if ask Andy now, nothing like that.
What that? What that? Mixing tank cement?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, gang goodie. What that? Basketball?
No.
Netball?
No talking.
Volleyball.
Volleyball?
No.
Shoot?
5. 7.
Loser! 7!
Ooh.
Loser! 7! Third place! Third place! Hey, third place! Third place! Hey, third! You did I no? Let me say you want aptitude. See there?
God. Alright.
See there? 7. 7. Huh? Eh?
Yeah, man.
What you feel? Tell me what you feel. Come sit down. Talk to me.
She feels nice.
Come talk to me, man. Tell me what you feel.
If you guys want to see a rematch, comment, leave a comment underneath the bottom there, so and just pro rematch, please.
No, see, come
Because
talk to
me know them a thief
No
me.
rematch.
Come
It's
talk.
what listen, una thief me no.
Come and sit down
No,
and talk
I'm not
to
sitting down and talk to nobody.
Come and sit down
I'm
and
not
talk to
sitting
me.
and talking to nobody. No one
Listen.
thief me.
Was I being unfair? Was I unfair honestly?
Yes.
How?
Can you boots anybody now boots me?
No, but get out your boots yourself when we get that extra boots.
No, me not like that. Me not still. They still. If you guys want to see a rematch, please comment underneath and just let me know if you want to see a rematch.
Indy over there, so.
And
First place, big up me, big up my damn self.
second place.
Right there, big up fear damn
You win by default, so we
No,
see what-
hello. I come out of the game long time, I win by winning.
Okay, whatever.
Ice me go at 9. Ice she go, she no pass 6. So, big up my damn self to be the winner. ND, you're another champion. No worse self, you're champion too. Thumbs up.
We're gonna have a rematch anyways, but comment also what category you guys like the best. If it's Actitude, the dancehall moves, or the patois. So we can know which one to do next time.
Yeah.
ND, why you over there? So come here, so what happened?
Listen, so she kick out ND because
Come right here, so yeah.
goody. Talk ND, we have to say about coming in second place. Tell them.
How do you feel?
How do
You
you
get
feel?
the silver medal, yeah.
Yeah, me get my silver medal, I'm glad.
Talk louder, please. We can't hear you say.
Here, get us.
What you say?
Get my silver medal, I'm a glad feet.
Yes.
Right.
Oh, okay, goody. And you know
So-
how you feel.
First, what I want to say is, I want to talk to my mom.
Yes! You want to tell your mother because your mother was in there, so I tell you things. Your mother is a thief.
for bringing
The one with a criminal.
for bringing a champion in this world, and also
Your mother is thief.
the chicken foot soup that I drink.
I don't even think about her belly.
For giving me the strength, you know, to focus.
She needs a, this I don't exam you take. Wow, just tell me how you feel.
I don't know that exam sheet.
I also want to thank all my supporters, you understand, for believing in me. And yeah, yeah, and all of my haters, and can't get me down. Yeah, peace champion.
Oh, okay. What do you want him to do?
Me? Oh,
No, what do you want them to do? Yeah.
what I wanted to do is like, comment, yeah, send me the winner, yeah. Comment below, subscribe, and
Ring the bell.
click the notification button. A button or a bell?
Bell.
One. Click it.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching.
See, she didn't have a speech, you know. So all you need to do, comment below.
And we are out. Thank you so much for watching. This was really fun. Peace on the street.